If there's one thing that I simply can't stand, it's the environmental or pollen allergies. Being an environmental allergy sufferer for years, I can really feel it whenever I talk to another environmental allergy sufferer. You won't believe my environmental allergies. I mean, they were skyrocketing through the roof. The itchy red eyes, the constantly runny nose, to the never-ending sneezing. My allergies were the worst. I only started to get better when my wife found this allergy relief technique. When she used the method on me, I could feel the allergies lifting off my body. I was sold. I didn't want to do anything other than eradicate all allergies on this planet. If you suffer the allergy symptoms like I did, then please listen on. There are 9 ways where we will reduce your allergy symptoms. And when I say reduce your allergy symptoms, I mean reduce them from 50 to 100%. It's only 50% if there are environmental allergies floating around out there that we just don't have in our kits. But most often we have seen clearance between 75 to 80%. And this rebalancing should be permanent too. Okay, the nine ways are trees. We have 75 different trees. Grasses, we have 45 different grasses. Weeds, we have around 75 different weeds. Indoor molds, there are 2 sessions. Outdoor molds, there are 2 sessions. Dust and the sinuses. So if the pollen allergies are your downfall, you know who to call.